Hello everyone, I'm Myat and I'm the student of Keep Education Center. Today I'm going to talk about shyness and how to overcome it. So let's get into it. Some people welcome new experience and new people and they look forward to any opportunity to socialize. But other people are quiet and shy and they prefer to warm up slowly to new people and situation. So, what actually is shyness? Shyness is an emotion that affects how a person feels or behaves around others. So, like any other emotions, shy feelings can be mild, medium, or intense, depending on a situation or a person. Having a shy style isn't necessarily a problem. It's perfectly okay to take time to warm up to new people or situation. But shyness blocks some people from being comfortable as they want to be, so they want to feel less shy when they do something. So here are 3 tips to overcoming shy feelings. Number 1, start small with the people you know. Practice social behavior like eye contact, confident body language, asking question, introduction, or like small talks. You can do this thing with the people you're comfortable with and smile. You can build your confidence this way and branch it out to your new friend too. And the second one is think of a conversation starter. Often the hardest part to talk to new people is to get started. Think of conversation opener like introducing yourself or giving a compliment or asking a question. Being ready with conversation starter make much more easier to approach someone. And number 3, the last one, give yourself a chance. Find group activity where you can find people who share the same interests with you, and you can slowly warm up to and practice socializing with these new people, and you can get to know them slowly. Most of all, what I want to say is be yourself. Yeah, it's okay to try out different conversational approach what you see others using, but say and do what fit your style. Being the real you and daring to let yourself be noticed is what attract friends.